Here we come to the elevator at Carroll Hall at University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill. This elevator is keyed off, but don't be disappointed because you can easily open the door when the elevator car is on the floor. This is a Westbrook elevator. I'm sure you remember these. I'm sure you still remember these fixtures here. It's a vintage Westbrook from 1953. All right, we're gonna close this thing. All right, let's go to 3. Here we go. Single speed top driven traction. Does the inching work? Oh yeah, it does. Look at this. Oh, you can't even inch down. That's interesting. You can inch that. You have an inching control, but apparently you can't inch back down. Okay, let's go on the beat. All right, we're gonna get a cab view of this beauty. Wow, this thing is beautiful. One of my favorite elevators here on the UNC campus. C.J. Anderson fixtures looks exactly like the one in the Herman Heap Laboratory building. This looks exactly where these fixtures exactly look like what the Herman Heap Laboratory building had before it got modernized, which was located at Texas A&M University. Thankfully, I have a COP exactly with these kind of fixtures. Oh, look at this. You can also close the gate when you press the button on the floor that you're on. Look at this. Wow, interesting. When you let go, the gate reopens back up. Unfortunately, you can't manually move the gate on this one because watch what's gonna happen. See, it would let you do that, but you can push it all the way back inside, but you just can't close it. That's the only problem because I think it was converted. I think this gate was originally manual, but it was converted to automatic. I think that's what it looks like. Let's get another view of these fixtures. Vintage Westbrook, based out of Danville, Virginia. This looks exactly like the one I saw. This is my second Westbrook elevator I've seen. The first one, well, technically this is the first Westbrook elevator, but if you don't know, there's also another Westbrook elevator, which is way older than this elevator, which Andrew Diesel Ducey and Alex Heritage Elevators filmed If you guys don't know, I specifically got to see that same exact elevator, but unfortunately it wasn't working at the time when I was there, but I finally got to see it. So with that being said, I think we're gonna go ahead and end the video on 1. Again, I love this elevator. One of my favorites here in UNC's campus. And probably my favorite elevator in all of Chapel Hill. There's your phone, I didn't realize it. Westbrook elevator. Get a little of that sign. Again, I love these fixtures. C.J. Anderson, exactly like the buttons that they had at the Herman Heap Laboratory building at A&M. Here's one last cat view of this thing. Let's close this thing up. Try not to slam it. All right, there it goes, and that's it.